In today's video, I will help you to remove the ransomware called Cobra. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I'll give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover them. Before the ransomware's attack, you are definitely able to open your files. All your files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Cobra ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware is called Cobra because it actually appends this Cobra extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the files. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note. And it changes the desktop background too. I recommend you not to pay the ransom because this is exactly what the ransomware note tells you to do. Instead, scan your system with Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. Wait until the antivirus database gets successfully updated. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and this way your data would always be under the protection. Furthermore, you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.